Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best helmet cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off the countdown at number 5 is the Phony Cab bicycle motorbike helmet camera. This budget-friendly option is priced at just $33.99, making it the most affordable helmet camera on this list. Despite its low price, it offers 1080p HD video recording and a 120-degree wide-angle lens, ensuring decent video quality for casual users. The aluminum alloy case provides IPX4 waterproofing, making it suitable for light rain or extreme weather conditions. Design-wise, the Phony Cab camera is lightweight and compact, meaning it won't add much bulk to your helmet or bike mount. It even includes vibration alerts via its built-in motor, which is helpful for knowing when the camera is powered on or recording. However, the device does have some limitations, such as a lack of advanced features like Wi-Fi connectivity or app control. This camera is perfect for beginners or those who simply want a basic helmet cam for occasional use. While the video quality and features might not stack up against higher-end models, its shock resistance and emergency lock functionality are valuable for safety-conscious riders. The main drawback is the relatively low battery life compared to other options on this list. Overall, it's a solid entry-level choice for budget-conscious consumers. Coming in at number 4 is the ABTOCWK motorcycle helmet camera, priced at $39.99. This camera offers a solid balance of affordability and functionality. It captures video in 1080p HD or 720p and features a 120 degrees wide-angle lens, which is great for recording road trips or outdoor adventures. Unlike the Phony Cab model, it has a slightly more streamlined design for portability and comfort. One standout feature is the built-in 1400 mAh battery, which provides up to 5 hours of recording time. This camera also supports recording while charging, so you won't have to worry about running out of power during longer rides. However, it's worth noting that a micro SD card is not included, so you'll need to purchase one separately to use the camera. It supports up to 128 gigabytes, with C10 U3 cards recommended for optimal performance. The ABTOCWK motorcycle helmet camera is ideal for riders who want a reliable, mid-range helmet cam with versatile mounting options for handlebars or helmets. On the downside, it lacks Wi-Fi connectivity and app integration, which limits real-time sharing and editing. Overall, it's a great choice for those looking for a straightforward helmet camera with solid safety features and decent battery life. At number 3, we have the Bang's Wi-Fi helmet camera. This camera is priced at $54.99 and offers HD 1080p video recording with Wi-Fi connectivity, making it a significant upgrade over the previous models. The ability to connect to your smartphone via a free app lets you preview playback and download footage in real time, which is a big plus for tech-savvy users. The Bang's camera is highly durable, featuring IP66 waterproofing to handle rain and splashes with ease. Weighing only 80 grams, it is lightweight and includes diverse mounting options for helmets, handlebars, or other gear. The 1,600 mAh battery provides up to 6 hours of recording time, which is impressive for a device in this price range. It also supports charging while recording to ensure uninterrupted operation during longer rides. While the Bang's camera delivers great value for its price, it does lack advanced video resolutions like 4K. However, its Wi-Fi functionality and waterproof design make it a strong contender for outdoor enthusiasts who want a reliable camera for capturing their adventures. Overall, it's perfect for users looking for a mid-range camera with modern connectivity features and solid durability. Sliding into the number 2 spot is the RunCam helmet camera. At $65.99, this model offers a unique blend of functionality and convenience. It features a flexible camera tube that allows you to adjust shooting angles effortlessly, making it easy to capture diverse perspectives. Video resolution is capped at 1080p, which is sufficient for most users, though it won't match the clarity of 4K models. The RunCam stands out with its long-lasting battery life, offering up to 7 hours of recording, one of the most impressive battery performances on this list. It also features Wi-Fi connectivity for app control, allowing you to preview shots and share moments instantly. The one-touch recording function and vibration alerts for power and battery status make it highly user-friendly. The design is slightly larger than other cameras, weighing 10.5 ounces, but its slider and magic tape mounts make installation a breeze. While it's not waterproof beyond light rain, its versatility and extended battery life make it ideal for long outdoor activities like airsoft or climbing. The biggest downside is the lack of 4K video resolution. But overall, the RunCam helmet camera is an excellent choice for users seeking extended battery life and flexible recording options. And finally, at the top of our list, we have the Sixmile i3 4K thumb action camera. Priced at $69.99, this premium option offers unmatched features and versatility. It's incredibly compact, weighing just 1.25 ounces and smaller than your thumb. The camera comes with multiple mounting options, including a magnetic lanyard pad and a 360 degrees rotating spring clip, making it easy to attach to helmets, collars, or even metal surfaces. The Sixmile i3 stands out with its 4K video resolution, offering crystal clear footage for professional quality recordings. Its waterproof case allows you to take it underwater up to 131 feet, making it perfect for diving or snorkeling. The battery life is also impressive, providing up to 150 minutes of recording in 1080p mode and supporting recording while charging for uninterrupted usage. While the price is slightly higher than other models, the Sixmile i3 delivers exceptional value for users who prioritize portability, video quality, and mounting flexibility. Its lightweight design and advanced features make it ideal for vloggers, motorcyclists, and outdoor adventurers. The only drawback is its relatively shorter battery life compared to the RunCam, but overall, this camera is the best choice for premium performance and versatility. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.